In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Illustrator Install Error 501 quickly and easily. This error can appear while installing Adobe Illustrator through the Creative Cloud app, and it usually happens when something interrupts the installation process. It might be a temporary system conflict, a corrupted installer file, internet problems, or even permission issues on your computer. The good news is that in most cases, this error is easy to fix once you know what to check. I'll walk you through several proven solutions step by step so you can get Illustrator installed and running again without frustration. Make sure you follow the steps in order, because often the earlier fixes solve the problem immediately. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. The first and easiest fix is simply restarting your computer. Temporary system issues or background processes can sometimes interrupt software installations, and a restart clears those conflicts. Start by closing any applications you currently have open. This includes browsers, editing software, and anything running in the background that you don't need. Once everything is closed, restart your computer normally. After your system boots back up, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application again and try installing Adobe Illustrator one more time. In many cases, this simple restart resolves installation problems because it clears temporary files and resets system processes that might have been interfering with the installer. If the problem continues, the next thing you should check is whether your Adobe Creative Cloud application is up to date. An outdated version of the installer can sometimes cause installation errors like Error 501. To check this, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Once it opens, look for any available updates for the Creative Cloud application itself. If you see an update prompt, go ahead and install the update. After the update finishes, close the Creative Cloud application and open it again to refresh everything. Now try installing Adobe Illustrator again from the Apps section. Updating the Creative Cloud installer often fixes compatibility issues and ensures you are using the latest installation system provided by Adobe. Another common reason for installation errors is an unstable or slow internet connection. Since Illustrator is downloaded from Adobe servers during installation, any interruption can cause the process to fail. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are downloading large files or streaming on other devices, consider pausing those activities temporarily. This ensures the installer has enough bandwidth to download all required files correctly. If your connection still seems unstable, try restarting your internet router or modem. After reconnecting to the internet, reopen the Creative Cloud application and attempt the Illustrator installation again. A stable connection helps prevent incomplete downloads and installer failures. The next fix is running the Creative Cloud application as an administrator. Sometimes Windows permission settings prevent the installer from modifying system files required for installation. Start by closing the Creative Cloud application completely. Then locate the Adobe Creative Cloud icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the icon and select Run as Administrator. This launches the application with elevated system permissions. Once Creative Cloud opens with administrator access, go back to the App section and try installing Adobe Illustrator again. Running the installer as an administrator allows it to properly write files and make system changes needed during the installation process. If you still see Install Error 501, the issue may be related to your Adobe account session. Occasionally, the authentication connection between Creative Cloud and Adobe servers needs to be refreshed. Open the Creative Cloud application and click on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. From the menu, select Sign Out. After signing out, close the application completely. Then reopen it and sign back in using your Adobe account credentials. Once you are logged in again, go back to the App section and try installing Illustrator. Signing out and signing back in refreshes your account connection and can resolve temporary authentication issues that interrupt installations. The final solution is reinstalling the Adobe Creative Cloud application itself. If the installer files are corrupted or incomplete, reinstalling the app can fix the issue. Start by uninstalling Adobe Creative Cloud from your computer through your system's uninstall or app settings. After it's removed, go to the official Adobe website and download the latest version of the Creative Cloud desktop application. Install the new version just like you normally would. Once the installation finishes, open Creative Cloud, sign into your Adobe account, and then install Adobe Illustrator again from the Apps tab. Reinstalling the Creative Cloud application replaces damaged installer files and often resolves persistent installation errors. And that's how to fix Adobe Illustrator Install Error 501 using several simple troubleshooting methods. In most cases, one of these fixes will get Illustrator installing properly again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.